Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Burst Junkie. I just want to do a quick reveal or unboxing of this item I got from last year around October. When I saw this online, I quickly messaged my friend to get a hold of this item, and I'm so happy that it's in my collection. So here's the receipt of the purchase. I'm going to show you how much it cost later on. This is the box. And this is the Monogram Eclipse in the, it's called Elizabeth pouch. And this is basically you can use it as a pencil case, pencil pouch, or you can do whatever you want. And it came in with this textile card and the SKU, I guess, the tag. So it's called Elizabeth Monogram Eclipse Truce, I guess, but on the website it's called the Elizabeth pouch. So basically, I just added this thing to keep it shape. It has a, what do you call this kind of metal? It's not, it's not gold or silver, but it's I forgot what you called it. Anyway, it's like a silver, dark silver kind of color. You know how the Eclipse comes. And this thing is made in France. I'm so happy. And that's what the bottom looks like. There you go. If you didn't know, I am obsessed with Monogram Eclipse canvas. I think that's one of my most favorite canvas from Louis Vuitton. And so basically this come in 3 prints. I'm just gonna look over on my iPad here. So this particular item comes in the pink and the red. So the pink is called Crystal Pink. So I'm just going to show you, sorry about the lighting, but anyway, that's the crystal pink. And then it comes with the red. There you go. And then the back side is the regular monogram canvas. So right now they are not available. When you click online, it says call for availability, and but you can probably call your SA to see if they still have it, in any of the stores. So basically, I bought this because I want this in my collection. I'm probably gonna use this as a catch-all. Not necessarily as your pencil case, but you can, I'm sure, just to show you how much it holds. So, you can use it for your pencil, your lip gloss or lipstick, and then you can also put like a small lotion, hand lotion. You can also put your medications if you like. So this one I have a medication for allergies, so that's how much it can hold. So if you stuff this, of course it's gonna make that unflattering look, so you don't want to do that. Maybe you can replace it with like a hand gel. So that's what it looks like. You can also put like your perfume. So if you have some kind of like something like this is from Chanel Chance, you can put that there. If you want to put your charger, that will fit. So that's what I'm gonna be using it for. There you go. So isn't it really beautiful? What else on this one? I just want to show you the measurements. So this cutie measures about 8.5 inches. There you go, 8.5 inches, and it's about 2 inches tall, and the width is probably around 1.5. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy my reveal, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.